Ano nga ba mga idol ang ibig sabihin ng pagiging core? Sabi daw ng iba ito ang pinakamadaling role sa lahat kasi daw pa-farm lang, walang pakialam daw sa mga kakampi, pag-alagala lang sa mapa. Pero alam nyo ba ang malungkot na katotohanan ng pagiging core user? Oo, pa-farm lang yan at pag-alagala sa mapa, pero di mo nararamdaman yung pressure na nararamdaman ng isang core lalo na kapag mayroong team fight sa isang objectives, na kapag hindi mo siya na-retro o nakuha ay sayo lahat isisisi, yung tipong kapag hindi mo nakuha ang turtle at ang lord at di mo nadala yung laro nyo ay bobo na yung tingin sayo. Yung tipong hindi mo nadalawan yung isang side lane sayo lahat isisisi pero yung mga yan nung ini-invade dan ka ng mga kalaban ay nakafocus lang yan sa lane nila, yung tipong inaagawan ka na sa buff mo ay wala ni isang dadalaw man lang para di ka mag-up. Kaya wag nyo munang husgahan ng isang core user kung alam yung may pagkukulang din kayo. Kung meron mang magaling mag-corematic yan mga idol, lahat ng trash talk ay inabot na niyan, lahat ng CC ay napagdaanan na niyan bago siya naging magaling at naging malakas sa role na yan. Kaya wag na wag mong sasabihin na ang dali-dali lang mag-core, tingnan mo muna sarili mo kung saan ka nagkulang bago ka humusga sa iba, kaya sana sa mga random dyan na minsan sinisisi pa sa core pag namamatay kesyo dinodedalawan, ibahin yung mga idol ang mindset na ganyan. Kaya sa mga nagbabalak na mag-core user dyan, isipin nyo muna kung kaya nyong saluhin ang mga trash talk at paninisi na mangyayari sa inyo bago ka lumipat ng role. Alam nyo sa totoo lang, ang daming core na nagki-quit dahil kasi yun sa di nila nakakaya yung pressure.
Don't tell me that
You have slain an enemy.
Is ours.
An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Purple is
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Killing spree. An enemy has been slain.
I will fight.
An ally has slain the turtle. Kill.
Instant relief. Guaranteed.
Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain. Turret has been destroyed. Kill. An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. Our turret has been destroyed. Godlike. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat. Request backup. Slain the turret. Legendary. That was amazing.
Believe it or not, you're on my good
Your
side.
team destroyed a turret. Enemy has been slain. Killing spree. Legendary. been destroyed. Request backup. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Launch attack. Killing spree.
Anti-venom does not work here.
An ally has slain Lord. Our turret has been destroyed. Ally has been slain.
Believe it or
Shut
not,
down.
you're on my good side.
Request backup. An enemy has been slain. Killing spree. An enemy has been slain.
Anti-venom does not work here.
Launch attack.
Instant relief.
Request backup. An enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy. You have slain an enemy. Your team destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Come on, rats. I won't bite.
Killing spree. Destroyed.
Purple is the new black.
An enemy has been slain. The enemy has slain. Double kill. Initiate retreat. Kill. Double kill. Request backup. Launch attack. Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
Come on, rats.
Request backup.
Evercube is ours.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret.
Purple is the new black.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Monster kill. Destroyed a turret.
Evercube is ours.
Ally godlike. An enemy has been slain.
Instant relief. Guaranteed.